Alrighty, so this week in my regular planner, I'm not sure who made this. I got it off the kit I'm using's got a lot of pink. I love pink, and I'm just not ready for fall. So I really like this one. It's a bigger clip. I got it off a table, one of the D-stash tables. And then my friend Zolane made this pretty pink bow, so I'm going to use it. My friend Jamaica printed out these cute little sloth stickers, and she's at like Day 31 Studios. And then from Nikki Plus Three, I got these in the swag, I think from the CCP meetup. There's this really cute mini kit. I am using it. Love the colors. And then from Brianna Nicole Designz, I have the whole bunch of the different icons and everything for the week. So I can see we're getting low and all that, all the different stuff I use. It is the 3rd, and she will have 60% off her shop until the 5th, so which is Wednesday. So you've still got a couple days. So if there's anything you want, just mention me in the notes, and I will have the link down below. So we'll go ahead and get started. We'll start with the little mini kit. Now it doesn't have dates or anything, and I'm alright with that. I'll just let the dates go plain. So what I'm going to do here, something's not quite right. I think I've got my covers. There we go. Got my cover fixed. So we'll go ahead and start with this bottom washi. And it's a little bit thinner than usual, which is alright. So I'll kind of let that float a bit. Very pretty. I really like this kit. Very, very pretty. So we got that. And then I think up here to cover this September, we'll use this box right here. And I did like the today's, so I will use these. Alright, need to turn this sideways. I don't know why I plan better sideways, I just do. So I found out yesterday that my sister and her husband, oops, let me stop my phone here. Turn the sound off, I just forgot. Oops, alright, sorry about that. Alright, so we got that off. But anyway, my sister's husband has a business trip, and he's going to Hawaii, and my sister and I are going to tag along. So while he's doing all these worky stuff, we're gonna hang out in Hawaii. Woohoo! I am so excited. I cannot wait. I've never been there. So I do believe we will have a ball, because, well, my sister and I always have fun. Alright, so do like this one that says this week. And we'll use this check box right here. Put our to-dos on. And we'll use just one of these little border ones right here for the meals. We'll just write it in. Then we will use the Remember. And we'll put in the trackers. Got a little bit away from me. And I will grab another tracker from here. So I think I'll go with this bright green, because I like the 3 trackers. And these are some large washi strips, so we'll kind of fill the gap in with those. Alright, so we got the sidebar done. So we'll put check boxes here. I like how they have these hearts that are outlined. So anyway, I go to Hawaii in November. Wine and Plan is coming up. Tickets are on sale now. I go there in October. If you haven't been, it's in Michigan. It's a very, very fun event. You really should go. So I'm going to put the weekend border here, and that is just gorgeous. So I'm going to leave the yellow because there's enough here, and then we'll just write my work stuff in it. And then I do have a couple of appointments, so I'll use these appointment boxes. Let's go back to being upside down. So I have one Tuesdays and Fridays. Physical therapy. Quite frankly, it sucks. But yeah, it is what it is. Alright. So I got these pretty full boxes. And we'll use 2 half boxes here because this kit had 6. But I think if we kind of put these 2 together, it'll mimic a full box, and they're close enough that it'll look alright. Oh, be always blooming. One right there. Alright, so there's what I have so far. And this is a pay week. Put that right there. Oh, I like these little hearts. Alright, so I got 2 appointment boxes in. So we'll look at the icons here. I don't think we have any birthdays. Do you like the little dollars? Put the little alarm clock on Tuesday. Have my car looked at. Payday. It's trash day and a little trash can. And I'm going to put the work here. I guess I didn't need one there because I'm off work. Oops. So we'll use this cute little washi tape just to cover that right up. Pretty flowers right there. And I'll use these little paper clips on my appointments just to cuten them up. Don't know if I'll get Happy Mail tomorrow, but I like this little sticker, so I'll put it there kind of like decorative. Alright, so I think I've got everything I want from the kit. So let's go through the icons. My last, I don't feel very worky today. Putting it on Tuesday since it was a long weekend. And yes, I already feel tired tomorrow. Long weekends do that. I already got dollars. Remember to put money in my savings. I like the green coffee. Feel like I need a little smiley kitty face on a couple days this week. Monday I'm working on my mini TN, so I'll put my Get Crafty. We all know I drink coffee like crazy, but I like to change it up, use a couple different little icons. In this kit, these little coffee things are just cute as can be. Don't need to do my hair. I will mark my, yeah, we'll do it that way. my morning and my evenings. Dress them up. I already got a little trash can. Do got a couple little bills to pay. I have to stop and get gas Thursday. We got a little planner. Coffee Monday, yes, even though it's Labor Day. I've drank a ton of coffee. Wednesday is Hulu. Getting about to the end. I think I've only got 1 or 2 more of my shows left to watch. I'll do a little tired tomorrow. A little happy guy for the weekend. And I'll put the little busy guy by my appointments too, just because he's cute. Put my dishes in. Alright, now this little super cute sloth. He's so cute. I wanted to use the treadmill guy for my steps. Here he is looking like he's got movies and stuff since I watched my show. I'll be getting me some coffee tomorrow since it's a work day. Oh, here he is saying Friday. I always take me a good bath on Saturdays. There he is kind of napping in a chair. So I'll put him right there. There's crying, paying bills. Yep, that'll be me. So we'll put him right there. Making the bed. I do like to wash my sheets, and I usually change my bed on Saturdays. Alright, so the rest of these, he's like crying or happy. So hopefully I don't use those this week. But I think this is my setup for the week. I'm going to put this cute little lovey sloth right here. And the little sloth talking on the phone. Just 'cause they're cute. Alright. Put my bows on. I want the bow on this side. There's my bow. And my rose. And I'm sure I will have plenty of pictures of all my events and stuff coming up. I take a TN class in September, so I'll keep you posted there. You know, make sure you join Creative Cleveland Planners if you'd like to participate, and it's very fun. It's on Facebook. Do a lot of stuff in that group, and there's fun meetups and a lot of monthly socials and everything. But other than that, thank you for watching, and you know, be sure to subscribe and like below, and I'll leave all the links to the store sales below. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.